happening, everyone? Today we are having a look at Oraimo Bass Boom Go speaker. Deep dive inside. We're gonna open it and we're gonna check it out what's inside, because my speaker, since we did a water testing of IPX, it's acting out. It doesn't charge, it doesn't do anything, and right now when I was charging it, it started to smell like batteries just want to bust. So it's really crazy, but we're gonna do a tear down of it really roughly, because I've tried to study the speaker, how you can open it, but it's a little bit hard. But we're gonna get into there. Just don't follow what I might be doing. I'm doing a craziness tear down, so alongside the way we're gonna be learning how the next one you're gonna be doing it. Don't do the same way I did, but I think you're gonna learn something which it might be helping you out on your next, if you have a problem like mine. But if you just don't want to open it, send it to a technician who can sort you out. They might be it's hard to understand the Oraimo products because they don't even give us a guideline on how you can open them. It's really crazy, but you have just to figure it out by yourself. So that's what's up, guys. Let's get started. And this one, you remove it just this way. Oh, the RGB in here, which is good. So let's see what's inside this bad boy. It's really crazy, but we have just to do it. Okay, there we go. So you can see this is what makes it reflect. Like on the RGB, this sponge is a transparency. It's like a filter which helps it to glow, which is quite not bad. Now we're having the RGB lights in here, and there's screws holes in here, which if for a normal user to open this, it will be very tricky. Now let me just grab my screws. So guys, as you can see, there are plenty of water inside, and it was all over the place, the water, and it was really crazy. This is the battery. Now the battery connects somewhere here. Then I have just to disassemble the battery first and remove it, because that's the bad boy which got problem. But the battery seems to be fine, but it was smelling like it's burned already. Now what we are left with is the circuit board. Now this is the circuit board. Now let me try, how can we remove the circuit board from here? I hope there are screws in here. Now to remove this thing, I think this stays separately, I believe so. This goes separately because of these rubbers. Yes, this goes separately, and you just have to, I think, release them. Let's see. Water is everywhere, man. If you pay close attention throughout here, waters have split everywhere. That shows this bad boy is not a water resistant. So Oraimo is just, I think they lied to us on this product. Yeah, and you find it, a lot of people buying it expecting it's a water resistant, but it's actually not. So I'm risking to just break everything, but I'm gonna repair it as for my own self. So you can see guys for yourself, there are water everywhere. The water spilled everywhere. I thought that the water would be drying, but it didn't dry actually. So yeah, it was really a crazy thing throughout here. So we're gonna just dry the water, because the water spilled even on the circuit. You can see on the circuit board the water spilled like crazy. As you can see, guys, this is the circuit board. So we're gonna just open the circuit board to separate it with the main board. So as we can see what's happening, how we can fix it out, because this is really crazy on how much you buy a speaker and later on it's just happening. So this guys, this is the circuit of the Bass Boom Go. So it just spilled a lot of water, and I tried charging, and the water was playing around with these transistors. all of them. So I think it's transistors, I guess so, because I forgot about electronics, man. It's been a long time ago and I started electronics. So it's really crazy part, but it's just normal. You can clean it. If you have no idea, go to a technician. So throughout here, this is the battery, guys. So the battery has been hold here, which is crazy, but I'm not sure if the battery will continue charging. I'm just scared using this battery.
Power on.
Okay, it's on.
Bluetooth. Pairing. Connected.
So I think this speaker is the one having a problem. So guys, that's what's up about the Oraimo Bass Boom Gore speaker. It's really, I can say, complicated. Okay. It's really kind of complicated to fix it, and it's really annoying when it comes to a user to fix it. And another kind of stuff, if you rely on Oraimo to be waterproof, forget about waterproof from Oraimo. So it's all about marketing stuff, which I think they don't do testing. The company has to undergo a lot of tests. So as when it comes to user end, I understand it's a budget speaker, but still $100, man, it's a lot of money to purchase on a speaker, which later on becomes like a disaster, and later on you have no idea what you can do. So don't rely on Oraimo. Their strategy of waterproof, it's really a gimmick and it's all a lie. So that's what's up, guys. Up to the next one. It's your boy here, Oraimo13. Catch you guys on the next amazing tech. I hope you enjoyed on this tear down of the speaker. It's really challenging. I'll just fix it. I know I can do that. And up to the next one, guys. I'll give you an update on my Instagram on how the speaker is doing. Just go on my Instagram account, check me out there, stay tuned on my stories there. I might be posting there, or I might be sharing a video that the speakers, how much it's doing. So that's what's up, guys. Up to on the next one. And don't do a tear down with plies. I've been going crazy because I didn't know how to do a tear down, and there's no any video online to show you how it can be tear down. So it's just me. I had to do some experiment. So to remove it, it's quite easier, but it's quite challenging. I can say to remove it, it's quite hard. Up to the next one, guys. Peace.